Hey there, thanks for joining me. Let's talk about polygons. The I can statements are: I can recognize a two-dimensional shape is classified into a category and its subcategories. I can classify two-dimensional figures into categories and/or subcategories based on their attributes. A polygon is a closed plane figure formed by three or more line segments that meet at points called vertices. Polygons are named by their number of sides. So a triangle has 3 sides, a quadrilateral has 4 sides, and a lot of shapes are considered quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral is the broadest way to describe a 4-sided polygon. So we have a square that's a quadrilateral. It's a very specific kind of quadrilateral with equal sides and congruent angles. We have a rectangle that is a quadrilateral. It's not a square because it doesn't have 4 equal sides, but its opposite sides are parallel. We have a rhombus that's a quadrilateral. It has 4 equal sides, but it's not a square and it's also not a rectangle because it doesn't have 4 right angles. And then we have a parallelogram that's a quadrilateral. It has opposite sides parallel, but it's not a rectangle because its 4 angles are not congruent. And then we have a pentagon that has 5 sides, a hexagon has 6 sides, an octagon has 8 sides, and a trapezoid is another quadrilateral. It has 1 set of parallel sides, and none of its sides are congruent, or sometimes it has 2 congruent sides, but it doesn't have 4 equal sides. Okay, so a regular polygon is a polygon with all equal sides and all equal angles. So if you look at this regular polygon right here, it is a pentagon. It has 5 sides, and these markings mean, if the marking is the same, it means that those sides match. Those sides are congruent. They're equal lengths. And then when you see this marking in the angle, anything that has this shape in here also is congruent. So that's how you know when it's written, what is equal and what is congruent. So this polygon is a regular polygon. It has equal sides and congruent angles. Now let's look at the other shape that's not a regular polygon. So it doesn't have the markings of the last one. So we know that all these sides are not congruent, and we also know that our angles are not congruent. This one and this one may be the same, and this one and this one are the same, but not all 5 are the same, so it's not a regular polygon. So on your practice page, look for those markings because those will tell you what's congruent for your angles and which sides are equal. Go ahead and try the practice problems, and then scan the QR code at the bottom and we'll go over them.